to learn a new method based on Vedic maths. This is called the cross method of multiplication. We all know a conventional method, a two-digit number, if I multiply, it will come in 3 lines. First I'll multiply this number, then with this number, and finally add it up. I get the answer in the 3rd line. It will take at least 2 minutes, however good we are. But let's do away with the intermediary steps and derive the answer in just 1 line. We can achieve it only with a calculator. But if you know Vedic maths, this will help you in getting the answer in just 1 line. Let's see. We will follow this rule. If you have noted it, it goes like a straight line, a cross and a straight line. We'll apply the same trick over the numbers. 3 ones are. We all know 3 ones are is 3. Second step, 6 ones are 6. 4 threes are 12. I got a 6 from here, a 12 from here. If I add it up, I get an 18. I can't write full 18. I'll carry the balance one. 6 fours are, because it says last step is a straight line. 6 fours are, I multiply. 6 fours are 24 and 1 balance 25. My full and final answer is 2583. Let's see another example. I'm multiplying these numbers. This will work with any two-digit number. No restrictions. Like in special cases, we had special numbers. We had the first digit should be the same. The last digit should add up to a 10. But here, any two-digit number, it will perfectly work. 5 ones are 5. 7 fives are 35. Plus 8 gives me a 43. 7 eights are 56. When I add up the balance 4, I get a 60. My final answer is 6035. Let's see another example. I'm multiplying 33 into 91. My aim is to do it in 1 line, in 1 step. Instead of many steps, how to do it fast in 1 single step. First step is 3 ones are 3. 27 if I multiply this side and 3 from this side. 27 plus 3 adds up to a 30. 9 threes are gives me 27. 27 plus 3 is another 30. So my final answer is 3003. Remember this, children. We have to solve it in seconds. Our aim is to do it in fast manner. For this in maths, have an extra edge over your tables. You should be knowing your tables thoroughly. When you see the number, you should tell 6. 21 and 8, 29. 28 and 2, 30. A two-digit number shouldn't take more than 5-10 seconds, according to me. Okay? Very easy. Apply it and it can be done in seconds.